So welcome back to Nayla's Worlds, and welcome back to Atlas Worlds, and welcome to Pony's World. And today I want to show you how to make liquid book, and it's so easy. The ingredients you need is rainbows.
What do you mean the ingredients?
I mean the stuff or
the material?
The materials. I'm so stupid. Here it is, sprinkles. That's the first part, okay? Next up is baby oil. And last is the baby oil. I have cut this, okay? You can make how big you want, how size is it. I just want to make this big. And we just need some other liquid stuff. And the important thing that we need is this. But be careful, kids. If you want to make this, you have to ask your parents for permission first. Okay, so let me show you how we make it first. So we get a book like this, just like this. So you just cut it as same part like where we're going here.